So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to easily set a payment invoice with YardBook. So now let's begin. So to do this, what we need to do first is open our web browser and open the YardBook website. Now we need to sign in our account. And after that, we need to set up our business information. Here we need to make sure that our business information is correct. After that, we need to add customers. And to add customers, we need to go to Customers tab and click on Add New Customer. After that, we need to create a job or service. Here we need to navigate to the Jobs tab and click Add New Job. And now, we need to fill in the details of the job. So after that, we need to generate an invoice. Once the job is added, we can create invoice. And after we've customized the invoice, we need to set up the payment options. We need to enable online payment on invoice to allow customers to pay directly through invoice link. And after that, we need to send the invoice. So click email invoices so that we can send to the customer's email the invoice. And after that, we need to manage and track the invoices. And that's how to easily set a payment invoice with YardBook. And that's everything for this video. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.